guys, I'm doing a review of these M&M Meats breaded haddock fillets. I love their chicken strips because they actually have lots of meat in them. These ones I've never tried, so that's why I'm doing a review for you guys. But 907 grams, and let's look at this ingredients. So, if you guys want to read it, pause the video, of course. It does quote contain wheat flour, so be careful with that. And here's the nutrient panel. All right, let's open this up. Okay, so they are pretty good size. Take a look at that. They're actually pretty good size. So I'm going to cook it up in the air fryer, and I'll be right back, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's the haddock, all cooked up in the air fryer. Let's do a quick taste test. Oh, very nice. Wow, surprisingly good. It's a nice piece of fish in there. It's not too thick at the breading, so probably one of the better ones I've tasted compared to like Highliner or things like that. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.